Hey, this is Jim with Happy Earth Farms. It's Jeff, and we are going to do. When did we put our worms in there? About 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks. Yeah. So we're going to do a video. We haven't done a video of what they're up to now, but let's look in here and see. I fed them a little bit ago. Put some more food on there. But there they go. Daytime they kind of go inside the thing. I usually blend up the food a little, but this was a little. It's been sitting in the bucket for it, so it's kind of soft. It won't be no problem for the worms to eat. And can't dig in there, man.
And dig in there.
You know, do a little digging just to show you they are multiplying. They're definitely making some black gold for us. Dig around over in like this newspaper, see what. Yeah, they're all over.
Oh, yeah, they're going off the newspaper now. You should make this a little bit lighter for those people.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit dry in here.
Alright, and there's not really much of a smell coming off here. You know, they if you put the right amount of food, then they pretty much eat it up pretty good without any odor. Just spraying it off right now for a little more. Alrighty. This is Tim. That's Jill. We're Happy Earth Farms. Aloha.